Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to remove phone number from your Facebook account. Go to the Facebook app from your apps list. Tap on the three horizontal line from the top right corner. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, tap on Settings. In the account settings, you will see an option Personal Information. Tap on this. Here you can see your phone number is added. Now tap on the phone number. Your current phone number is showing at the top. Below this you can see Remove option. Tap on Remove. To remove this phone number from your account, you have to enter your Facebook password. After that, tap on Remove Phone. And your phone number has been deleted. Now go back. So in this way, you can remove phone number from your Facebook account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.